Our fourth and final preparation is going to be a batter-dipped fried fish. So first step is to make our batter. Batters are comprised of all-purpose flour, eggs, milk, and any seasoning you'd like to use. Some people choose to use beer as a flavoring. A beer batter is very nice as well. We're just going to be making a pretty standard one. So we're going to take some flour, some egg, and we're going to add some milk, of course, some salt, fresh ground pepper, want to add a little spice, we can add just a little bit of chili powder. Just a dollop of oil. We're going to be whisking this around. And what we are looking for is a kind of a thick, sticky mixture. Has to stick to the fish. And this is how we like our batter to look. Has a nice consistency, nice and thick. Don't want it too watery or just run right off the fish. You want to make sure that you get perfect coverage of the fish. Nice thin coating